Welcome back. Femina Miss India has been a cornerstone of India's fashion and glamour industry for over 6 decades. The 2026 edition is more exciting than ever as 30 states finalists competed for the crown. Co-powered by Rajnigandha Pearls, the journey to this year's crown has been intense. 30 young women, each representing their state, were chosen after a series of audition and rigorous training session. Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology University is hosting the 61st Femina Miss India Grand Finale. Listen in.
We are here at Femina Miss India's 61st edition, which is happening this time at KIIT Bhubaneswar, and we are joined by the Managing Director of Times Group, Mr. Vineet Jain.
With the Femina Miss India has always been part and parcel of the fashion industry and the entertainment industry because it's a very strong platform which positions women, empowers them to reach the best version of themselves and realize the true potential. And anyone who comes out of Miss India is easier for them to enter careers, whether it's the film industry, whether it's politics, whether they want to be a member of parliament, whether they want to get into singing. So it really empowers women to realize their true potential by shining a focus and light on them.
Well, if we talk about today's women, they are empowered, they are independent, every field we go. And this time's theme we have is Daughters of Soil. We have daughters from all 30 states and the union territories. How are you feeling about the fact that we are empowering women and giving opportunities to represent their states in every form?
Right, because India is a very vast country. Many years ago, we used to just have Miss India, which was not based on state, but we realized that everybody's different. Girls from different states are very different. Each one has a different style, different fashion statement. So we decided to make it state-wise because India is such a large and vast country. We wanted girls to represent each and all the states of India.
Well, this is only the second part that they have come to. They've already won the state pageant and now they are at the national level. And in future also, the winner will represent our country on international level. How do you feel about that?
I'm very proud. I mean, Femina Miss India has given many winners. They're not just Indian winners, but they go on to a global stage. For example, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra, Dia Mirza, Lara Datta, Manushi Chiller, to name a few. So I'm very proud that they get to represent India at a global stage.
Well, thank you so much for speaking with us. So from Zeenat Aman to even Aishwarya Rai and Manushi Chiller, Femina Miss India has given lots and lots of talent to the country, and it is continuing to contribute even more.
Yeah, I think it's wonderful. सबसे पहले तो मैं पहली बार उड़ीसा आया हूँ, पहली बार भुवनेश्वर में आया हूँ. So बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है, बहुत ही साफ सुथरी जगह है. It's a very warm welcome. I think Miss India is very special because इससे पहले I've had the good fortune of being on the Miss Universe, Miss World stage, but you get to see all the states getting representation. And I think वो खूबसूरती है Miss India की, that all the cultures will be on the stage and all these wonderful young women who are confidently expressing themselves, taking their first step, are getting a chance to do that in front of on such a big stage, in front of such a enthusiastic audience. I think we can hear them. उनकी गूंज यहाँ तक सुनाई दे रही है. So I'm happy. It's a wonderful event, lovely night, and I think there's a lot to look forward to.
I would also love to know what kind of sari you are wearing. What kind of culture is this?
So this is a Maheshwari sari, and it has been specially curated by Vaishali Shadagule, so who is curating this entire round for us. So we are doing something very unique this year. So Ministry of Textiles, Office of DC Handloom, we are partnering with Femina Miss India. 30 weaves, 30 states, based on 30 countries. So it's a very unique initiative, and Vaishali has been doing the hard work in curating. At a very, there's a lot of effort has gone from her side.
Well, I would also love to know how big is the role of your department in terms of the fashion industry. It is completely internally connected, and here at Femina Miss India, you are also partnering with the Times Group.
So the thrust of Government of India, the Office of DC Handloom, is to ensure that the traditional crafts of India is not lost. In fact, it is developed further, and there is also the livelihood concerns of the weavers are taken care of. So it is on the side, it is developmental, and at another point of view, it is welfare oriented also. We have to combine the two. And we believe that it is very important that the handlooms of India get contemporized so that it suits the requirements of the modern market.
I think our girls are so beautiful and so talented. I think that they will hold their own anywhere in the world. Also, I would like to congratulate all the state winners. It's so wonderful that they are here.
What do you feel about Femina, which is giving a platform to the young talent?
Femina has always been giving a platform to talent. It's not now. It's been for many, many years.
We are a mix of everything. We are powerhouse of strength, courage, patience, and so many other things, beautiful things, delicate. And I think that in past also all the winners of Miss World and Miss Universe and Miss Asia continent, we all are proud of them. And
It's been 10 years since last, in 2016, it's a proud moment that I got to perform. And today I'm part of the jury. It's a good thing for the Indian girls, and very rarely ऐसा होता है कि सबको opportunity आसानी से मिलती है, किस्मत की भी बात होती है. But this is a pageant and a podium and a place where I think everyone gets a fair chance and they get to put their best foot forward. और I think यहाँ से ही लोग discover करते, whether it's brands, whether it's movies, बहुत चीजें इस एक Femina Miss India से सपने पूरे होते लोगों के. So it's a great initiative.
I always feel great to walk the red carpet. I'm very happy to be part of the jury. You know, my film, all the film from Chandni Bar or Page 3, Corporate or Fashion or Heroine, all this movie has aged very well. Today also people see, today also is very synonymous with what's happening in the society, and it shows the real thing about it. The only thing which is added now is like the social media. And it is not only Kids Urban City. If you see reels, super talented people are making good reels in rural India also. So that is a major change have happened in the last 10 years.
India is known to be very warm, so that warmth when you go on the international stage, because that's missing in other countries, especially in Asian countries, especially in India, I would say. We have the warmth, we have, a certain persona, we have confident women who speak really well, and especially because the language is English, even in those competitions. I think we score because of the kind of education system we've had, so the girls are really well trained, they know how to, they're very articulate. So in so many ways, we have an edge, and that's why we have had the maximum number of winners, I think, in the last few years internationally. And Bhubaneswar as a city is stunning, it's beautiful, it's got beautiful architecture and temples, and of course the people themselves, they're gorgeous to look at, and their simplicity is just...
कोई भी बच्चा या कोई स्टूडेंट को पूछेंगे कि भुवनेश्वर में क्या है, पहले बोलते हैं कि KIT यूनिवर्सिटी है, और मेरा ये सौभाग्य है कि मैं KIT यूनिवर्सिटी की छात्री हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे पढ़ाई करती हूँ, लॉ सेक्टर में पढ़ाई करती हूँ. मैं उड़ीसा के राज्य में ये पहली बार यूनिवर्सिटी ने आयोजन किया है फेमिना मिस इंडिया बीट क्वीन. यहाँ पे काफ़ी बच्चों को सपोर्ट मिलेगा, जो चाहते हैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए इसी लाइन में, तो इनको एक मौका भी मिलेगा आगे बढ़ने का. महिला लोग तो पहले तो इतना बड़े बड़े स्टेज को नहीं जा पाते थे, लेकिन अभी तो हर सेक्टर में महिला लोग जाते हैं, चाहे राजनीति क्षेत्र में हो, स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्र में हो, कला क्षेत्र में, हर सेक्टर में महिला लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.